Good morning, student. This is Vasu Amit Banchor, your IT teacher. Welcome to online session 2020-21. So, students, today we will learn how to insert image in our web page. While designing the web page, if you want to insert some images while designing the web page, so you can insert by use of this tag, this img tag. Adding image img tag is used under Angular, in between Angular bracket, both open and close. In between you have to write img tag, and the img tag attributes are src, align, border, height, weight, and alt. Then after now adding an image to a web page makes it more attractive. You can insert image in a web page using the img tag, which is an empty tag. So img tag is empty tag, not having any closing tag, hence there will be no closing tag. Images definitely make a web pages more interesting, but they also make it heavier in terms of bytes, which means that it may take a longer time to download. Hence, a proper balance must be kept between the aesthetics to maintain the size of the web pages. Images are not inserted to an HTML pages. Images are linked to HTML pages. The img tag creates a holding space for a image. So here we are not inserting image in HTML page. We are only calling the image with the help of command, with the help of that tag in HTML page. Means we are linking the page image to our HTML page, and with the help of which tag, img tag. So there are several graphic formats supported by www browser. The most commonly used are the .jpg and GIF format. These are the format of image. The img tag has several attributes used to specify the source, height, width, and alignment to the alignment of the picture. So if you are inserting a picture in your web page, sometimes you want to insert left side, sometimes you want to insert at the center of the page, sometimes you want to insert at the right side of the page. So align is used. And then if you want to give some border of that image, so border attribute is used. If you change the height and width of your image, then height and width attributes are used. And if you want to, and sometimes while downloading the page, sometimes image not download properly or some error will occur, that time alt attribute is used. So for acknowledge purpose, you have to write the alt as attributes and equal alt, and then give value any or image name you give or any message of you give. So in place of not downloading the image, the alt message will display there. So come to the attributes. The attributes are given below. src to identify the location of the image file. So here src means you have to give the location of your image where you have saved in your computer, which drive you save, which folder you save. From there you have to call your image in HTML coding page. So img src equal to file name, this link. The linked image should be a file of the following types: bmp file, png file, gif file, jpeg file. Like this type of files will be inserting in this form. Then alignment, align full form is alignment. So here you have to write align. To specify the alignment of the image, img src must you have to give src. And then after alignment means position where you want to insert your image, right side, left side, bottom side, top side, where you want to insert, you have to give the alignment equal to value. Then border, to give your border to your image, the thickness of the border range from 1 to 10, where n is the number of specified pixel. So if you want to give border of your image, so here you have to mention inside the img tag after src border, and then write the number 1 to 10, value 1 to 10. And the height, to specify the height of the image, give the image in your pixel height, and width also you have to give image in your pixel. Then alt, the alt attribute provides an alternate text for an image. If the user or for some reason cannot view it because of slow connection an error in the src attribute, or if the user uses a screen reader. So at this time, if you are giving any alt, that message you are giving, that message will display in the screen. imgsrc file name and alt equal to text is given here. There text, you can write anything, any message if you want to give, then give. Then see here, doc type html body, then h2 html image, img src, this is the path of image dot jpg, like this you have to write. Then alt chestnuts in span, this is the message. If images will not display, then this message will display in the screen. Then width equal to 600, height equal to 400, like this you have to write the attribute with their values. And then at the last, see the image, this image is there inside, this image is displayed in browser like this. Yes student, so next class we will learn how to create forms in HTML with different buttons. Thank you.